I made it.
Steve. Oh, you easy made it.
It's a busy morning this morning. Newport, Oregon. With a collab of all Pacific Northwest fishermen. I know these guys. How are you?
Just had to run to the restroom.
Should have shook her hand on our way in.
Yeah. Yeah. How are you?
Good.
Good to see you guys.
You are married. My wife said, "Great. When are you going?"
Hold up.
Hey,
Earl's the first one in the water.
I already got one. Yeah, it is. That's a dink.
Boy, that is little. I wouldn't even reel that in. I'd be embarrassed.
I would too be. That thing is a dink.
What are you gonna do?
You gotta get it off of there though.
I'll take it. I'll put it for that.
Wait, who decided that they were in?
I'm in.
Huh?
So everybody's in?
Yeah,
I'm in.
How much are we bidding?
$10.
All right, I'm in.
That's a little yellowtail.
Yellowtail. Yeah.
No, no, I'm not saying your fish. I'm at for 50% or something.
Way to go, Earl.
That fish.
First fish, I get the whole kitty.
You gonna keep that thing?
Cheater. Were you getting anything, sir?
No.
Sir?
Not. I did
catching
not
anything?
win the first fish,
Oh.
but I'm going for the biggest fish.
All right, good. Sorry. All right, more. A good day on the water. Oh yeah. All right.
Another fish on.
Another fish on. She's hooked up.
Sorry. There it is. Nice rock fish. Yeah, that's a good one.
Wow.
Over the rail. That's a beauty there.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
That's a healthy rock
That
bass.
is nice.
Today, what's gonna come up? This is my favorite part.
I know, it is kind of fun. You can get addicted to this real quick. Now I know.
The current rate, I think one more drift will pretty much be done.
Where are they at? On the bottom? Oh, they're in the I know that.
How you doing, buddy? You getting them? Yeah?
But I'm not catching one with this one.
He did a double earlier,
All right.
but it's been quiet. Huh, bud?
Ooh, good
How big
fish.
were the fish you got?
Big.
It's like Brian's got a monster on.
50% of the pot, I'll actually make it in the net.
Okay.
And
Yeah, that's a
one
ling.
cod
That's-
snagged in the side. That's why it was so hard.
You both got them.
We did both.
It might be a keeper. It's close.
It's definitely a keeper.
Yeah,
Pretty good size, huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm still in the water. It's just.
Yeah, so who caught that? You, Brian, or your wife?
My here came up with it, so.
No, that's fine.
All right. Oh yeah, Steve's got a good one on. Oh. That's a good fish. Steve's fight.
I think I got a ling caught on here. I need a net. Probably. Good job, Brian. Do I have to tip you later?
What's that?
Do I have to tip you
No,
later?
you don't have to tip me. I'll give you the assist on this one.
Here he is. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's keeper.
It's a keeper.
Yeah.
Go ahead now. All right.
That is a keeper ling.
Actually, I thought he was gonna be bigger.
There we go.
Thank you, Brian.
No problem.
I'll take care of him. You go ahead and fish. I'll get him.
Fish.
Nice.
It's a nice one.
Man, the color on them is just.
Yours is bigger than mine, Steve.
That's what she said. I just had to say that.
I knew.
Hey, you know what? If you wouldn't have, I would have. I work with a bunch of shop people. Totally get it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about customers. It's fun.
You guys are gonna have a freezer.
That's a nice keeper.
Fish tacos or fish and chips.
They won't last long at our house.
I got you.
How's fishing back here in the back of the bus?
Oh, it's doing good, Steve.
Yeah?
Where's your pole?
I'm almost limited, so I got one good ling cod.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
There it is.
Stay on, baby.
And is there still fish on there?
Oh,
Lost
something
him?
big one. Ah, I let it go again. I'm doing the catch and release thing today.
Whether you want to or not.
Yeah.
No.
Boy, you got the gill and everything on that one. He's going to die without even dying.
Oh, you just killed him, girl.
just really.
Yeah, don't drop it.
Oh.
Well, I dropped it.
What was it, 21?
What was it?
Okay, this one was on my pole, so that goes to.
How you doing?
Good. I've got 3.
Did you want this?
Three?
I got 1 ling, 2
Did you want this one?
Oh, good.
Shove in the bucket. I got another one.
Awesome.
Check out our buckets.
Which one's yours? Oh, yeah.
The ling was too small. Chad got a ling though.
Yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Where's Earl's bucket? He only got 2?
Yeah.
Earl only has 2.
I just gave Sarah that one. It came in on my rod.
Earl.
It did. It came in on my rod. I caught 3. I threw the first one back. Actually, I caught 4.
A woman's beating you,
I don't care.
a sextus would say.
Oh, it is.
I don't care.
Down has nothing on it.
Yeah.
Oh, big rock.
2.
Oh, ling. Oh, wait, no, I thought that was a
Double?
ling. That was a double, but that's a big rock bass on the bottom.
Oh, yeah. That could be a good keeper there.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Good.
Good?
That was a nice one.
Yeah.
That's what they're eating.
Yeah, look at that. Yummy.
There's a big one down there.
Yeah.
Nice.
Something.
Look at that. That's a big one. There. Guacamole.
Yeah. There is that. You got a double.
Oh, a nice big one on the bottom, too. Look at that.
Cool.
Ouch. Boy, that is a nice big one. Sweet.
That could be a prize fish there.
Good job, Rip Rip.
I know it's a lot of work.
You're doing good, buddy.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Oh, did it get off? It might have popped off, Riv.
GoPro.
Darn it. Let's see what happens. I think it popped off.
I think he's.
It was on there.
He's on there.
Oh, you got
He's
one.
on there.
Oh, he's on there.
Nice
You
one.
got one, bud.
Good job.
Got him on the swim bait.
Heck yeah. Look at that, buddy.
Look at there.
River.
What do you think about that? Is that the biggest one you've ever caught?
I think he's out.
No, he just did a double earlier.
I think he's out fishing Earl.
Cool, yeah. Huh?
He's out fishing you.
Earl's fishing pole looks a lot like a GoPro these days.
Yeah.
So.
Steve's on a nice one here. See, I get to do camera duty again. Catch another fish.
You're good at it though.
I try to bring out my inner artistic abilities here each time you hook a really nice fish.
This might be a cabbie. I don't know. Feels like I'm pulling up a sheet of plywood.
Yeah. Well, let's hope that it's a ling, and it is
Oh my
a
god!
beautiful cabezon. Absolutely beautiful cabezon. Okay.
Dude!
Here we go.
Oh my god!
Let me get the net. You're not gonna wanna.
Morgan!
Yeah. I saw that. That's pretty great.
Somebody got a fish on it. Everybody on the boat's limited.
Yeah, we can't keep this guy.
I don't have a limit.
I was gonna say, you only have 2.
It counts as your rock.
Oh, yeah, it's a rockfish. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that too.
Oh crap.
Is that real?
Oh yeah, look at that. He's been at war.
Sorry, there's even a crew fish back there.
Oh, there is, huh?
Is that
Well, we can't keep that one. It's part of your bottom fish. And I've already got 5 bottom fish, so. Oh, sorry.
that's a squid?
Anyway, try getting get a ling cod though. Those are different.
That's a squid.
That's an octopus.
Oh,
That's what I'm using.
it's a.
Came out of my ling cod that I had. Look at that.
Oh. Keep it. You can use it.
Yeah, heck yeah, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna catch another one.
Here we go. I'll just hold him like this.
Oh, man. Nice.
Turn around, buddy.
Got the hand all the way down.
Hold it out.
All right, everybody,
Ready?
look at Troy.
I feel fish slime on my
It's dripping
neck.
on me.
All right, now everybody kiss their fish.
No, that's a
No more.